When the summer sun beats down on your windows, the extra heat can put a strain on your home cooling system and your budget. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to keep your cool right after this. Here at Today's Homeowner, we strive to deliver the most trusted, practical information you need to keep your home looking and running great. That's why we want to hear from you through our listener survey. Whether you'd like to suggest a topic, have a segment idea, or want to let us know how we can improve, we want to hear from you. Each listener who completes our brief survey will be entered to win one of 3 $100 Home Depot gift cards. So head over to todayshomeowner.com/survey now to share your opinions. Solar heat gain from windows is a big issue this time of the year, so it's important to know how to minimize it. One option is to install energy-efficient low-E windows. Low-E refers to a coating on the glass that reflects heat back to its source so the summer sun's heat stays outside instead of heating up your home. Adding interior wood shutters or 2-inch wooden Venetian blinds also will block some heat if you keep them closed when the sun's on them. That, of course, obscures the view, but one option that doesn't is thermal window film that can be easily applied to the interior surface of your windows. Window film not only blocks heat, but also damaging UV rays. Depending on the level of tinting, you might not even know it's there, except for the cooling effect on your home. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.